blog SEO outcompetes technical SEO every time. Now, let me show you how Mark grew his blog from scratch to 250,000 visitors a month by just blogging well. He didn't do any of the technical stuff, the backlinking, and all these other things gurus need to do. And he gets more traffic than all the gurus I follow on YouTube combined. Now, at the end, I'll give you a free course on, really his course, on how to grow your blog. He doesn't want an opt-in. He doesn't want your email. He wants you to get 10,000 in monthly traffic to your blog this month, right? Let me show you what he did and what hurts me as a technical SEO of what he chose not to do. He's getting results. Now, his blog looks like this. It is a Tinder blog where men can learn how to get more results off the dating app, right? He outcompeted Tinder for 2 years before they got better at blogging. Now, what I was doing, hi, my name is Jake Goss. I do technical SEO for WebViking. We put together this checklist. Now, we ran this checklist for 200 clients, mostly small business, mostly almost all small businesses, like your plumbers, your roofers, your dentists, your chiros, your lawyers, those sort of small businesses. And we saw 2 different results came out of this over the last, I would say, 5 years of doing technical SEO. We saw that even though all of these are what Google says and what everyone says you need to do, configuring these, making sure you don't have errors, making sure you don't have duplicate content, we noticed that for our clients, they split up into 2 different categories. That you either had clients go and get the results that they want, phone calls, people asking for quotes, people buying off of their website, or people that kind of stagnated. Technical SEO, even though we could solve all of this, ended up dividing the results based on either if they had a website that had a blog or they didn't blog at all and they did not want to add new pages to the website, which kind of came to this revolution. If you build a website for people to have them learn and get their answers, they would get better results. So we kind of scrapped all this for new blogs. Now, this is great for big blogs, but for people starting off, this is way too confusing, and it's really just over the top, like goes way over most people's heads. They just want to write. So we broke it down. Mark put together this checklist for a blog post. And if you're able to answer these, here, let me move my big head. If you're able to answer these, you'd be able to rank really well. Now, he's able to get to the top of Google in the featured snippets for keywords that get thousands of dollars worth of free traffic, right? This keyword gets 6,000 a month in traffic, and he's in rank number 0. This is the featured snippet. Now, we saw that the process that he was doing and the process that we were doing with our clients, right? We worked together, and we saw that we can repeat it. We can keep doing this in the same way. Instead of making something generic, we can make a process for blogging that works. So he put together a free course. This free course doesn't even need an opt-in. You can just go to this and you can just watch the trainings. But he'll tell you from start to finish how to set up and run a top professional ranking blog in a weekend, right? You can download the same worksheets that we use, all the free templates and outlines for blog posts. You can basically fill in the gaps. Now, you can do this even if you've never done anything on a website before. Maybe you just learned what SEO is. Hi, it's 2021. But all of the resources and training and videos are here for you to build a blog that grows. You'll be learning. And if you need advice, you can always join the free community where we're doing a weekly 8 p.m. EST get together where you can come in and just say, hey, I built this blog. Do you have any tips? We will look at anything you do to help you build your blog. Right? You can just click on this, watch the trainings. You can kind of see how nothing popped up, and you can just watch the course. You can go through exactly how Mark and I build clients' websites, blogs by blogging well. Really, we find 12 keywords and try and get 12 number 1 rankings for keywords that you can achieve for your specific blog. Now, if you want to learn more, just take the course. It tells you exactly what we do, enough so you can do it yourself. But some people, some small businesses, they need more help. So I invite you to learn more about what we do to help small businesses. but I ask you, set aside a weekend, learn how to do blog SEO. You don't have to learn how to do all this technical stuff. You don't have to learn all this other stuff. As long as your website is accessible, people can read your blog, and you can build good blog posts that help people, that will help you get to 10,000 a month in traffic in the shortest amount of time and start your blog so you can build that income that you need. So I invite you to join the community, and I'll be looking forward to helping you build your blog this weekend.